ongoing construction of the Dorchester luxury condos. You can see we have activity. We have soil being taken away to our storage location. So we have the trucks crisscrossing. We have the steel members on site. So the steel bending men. We have the Sabongo. Kawajakola. And we have Ruby as well. Our friends. Okay. Let's see the column bases that we have dug so far. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bases. Okay. The columns. This one is perfect. It's ready. We have this one. Perfect. Ready. Okay. We have this one. Has a little mound here. Little pending. Okay. We have our team. Of course, they are hidden. The pit is very deep. They are hidden in there. You can see. Oh, it's okay. So they are hidden. We have another one. Yeah. We have this one here. You can still the steel people. Iron bars. We have this pit currently being dug. Then once we finish this one, we'll go to the one up there, and then we'll dig the elevator shafts. Okay. So the progress is excellent, beautiful. It's going on well. Let's take a look at this one here. Okay. I think you can see it. So we're moving the soil from here, we're putting it here so that this tractor can pick it up and put it out. You have to work with what you have, mechanize as much as possible. Looks good. That looks good. We have a hill. So you see, of course, the soil is going, which is okay. This is the truck with the steel. We have the steel here. Let's see, I want to show you the size of this. These are T20s. That's 20 millimeter bars. See here? Very well. See? Right there. 20 millimeter. Ben mjebale? Omusajja muyombeseza nange ankoze bubi. Obudde bwatambuliddemu. Eno si emmanya y'enkoko sikyo? Nyombedde ddala. Mba njagala n'ennyomba n'ompulira nga nnyomba n'okitegeera mbu nange nayombye. Abu okiwulidde? Ate Abu nakulabye oyita wano ng'okoona kamera yaffe. So njagala weegendereze awo waggulu. Weegendereze. Boddeyo yakoonyeewo awo ne wakankana. Naye njagala weegendereze. Awo. Totomerawo. Awo ku gate. Akatala kaveeko ngamba kamera waggulu ogiraba. Jangu. Okirabye? Awo weegendereze wayingiddewo n'okoonawo ne wakankana. Tetwagala wakankane. Obadde tokalabye. Amazima geetaagisa. Abu kankukwateko wano. Jangu buuzeko ku bantu. Bannange. This is Abu, our delivery man. Sicho? Yeah, Abu buuza ku bantu.
How are you, boss?
Ebintu
Uganda
byonna babyogera.
Ije baleko basebo. Bali okubeera yeeyo naffe gye tuli eno.
Muyiiya.
Tuyiiya.
Ekintu okiruddemu budde ki?
Kintu kimazeemu emyaka 2.
Amina. This is Abu, our trustworthy surveyor Loreto. Trustworthy Ruby. trustworthy delivery agent.
Yeah.
Abua yogera amazima. We have another truck here, which has come to collect sand, soil from the place. Okay, it has missed the camera, which is good. Naone motoka yenga teriko taka yasombyeyo oba yingidde buyingizi wano teriko taka simanyi oba yasombyeyo ko. So this is what we are getting. Mwami Ben, nja kwagala okuwulira ekikyofunye. Okitegeera? Okitegedde sefu? Oba mpulira? So byebyo. Let's go on to the other section and see. Let's see. Beautiful. So the truck is digging. It's going to fill up this one here, and then we'll proceed. Sebo, jebale. Soko buzeko ku bantu bange. Bagambe halo. Aha. Emotoka yo nga teriko taka. Wakatandika butandisi. Naye nga teriko taka. Ndaba musenyi mwerere. Otutene trip y'omusenyi. Kale, let's update later.